Hunter the Greater here with Teardown. Yes, I have got the game. And yeah, you're looking at my whole entire screen. Yes, it's still on my phone, but this is my whole entire screen right now. So just gonna destroy that. And the door, let me out, let me out. Yes, we're here in Teardown, and this is my full entire screen. And yeah, it's sideways, so ow. Let's steal. Anyway, we're just gonna be making stuff fly mostly today. I have a lot of stuff. Fly, why won't you? Fly! There it goes. Yes, my PC is a little angry at this game, but I'm letting it so it'll be. Yeah, that's weird. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's weird. But what about this Lamborghini? Whee! Oh, okay. Great. So, I guess we're just gonna start off. I don't know. I'm not sure what to do. I guess I didn't really plan out a video, I guess. I mean, might as well make a building fly, right? So, let's just cut this building in half. And what is all that smoke? What is that? I don't know. Anyway, bye. Oh. Bye. Ow. Okay. Guess we should just start with a little house. Maybe we should, do something like this. I think we should do something. Yeah, see that, like this. It's not too wide. It's too tall, but I'm still gonna do it because these people, I saw a person, these people need to go to space. Yeah, see, look at him. He needs to get to space. Okay, so I guess we got definitely not the laser gun. No, that will minigun. Who needs the bottom floor? I don't need the bottom floor, it's fine. Just gonna take this out. Oh, those aren't people, those are propane tanks. Oh. Whoopsies. I thought that, oh, those are definitely propane tanks. I thought those were people. These things definitely need to go to space. They're actually helping me though. Problem is, no fire? No fire. So that, ow. Okay, so that's a propane tank. Then, oh, holy cow. Okay, the building's loose. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I saw fire. Okay, switch to balloons. Where's the balloons at? Oh, there it is. Oh, hey, there's a truck up here. No propane tanks though, that's good. Oh, this is a wonky looking truck. It's gone now. Really? Set to 2,000. Okay, well, if it can't even make that fly, we gotta make this better. Can we? This is a small little thing here. Yeah. So, there's a view of the city. Very, very beautiful. What is that smoke? Something on fire over there? I think something's on fire. I think okay, we're at 3,000. That should be good. Just getting lift? No. This building is so tall. That means it's heavier. I think we need to chop it in half. Chop in half. I think we need to do that. Has it got lift? Might actually have some lift. Pull up. Ow. I don't really believe so, no, but just yeah. Just gonna do that real quick. slide in here, slide in here. Okay. I just gotta shoot. Oh, yeah, flash warning, flash warning. Probably should put that on there, flash warning. It's fine. Come on, shoot through, shoot through, shoot through. Also, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I know it's a day later, but it's fine. Cut. I'm afraid when we're done cutting this in half, it's gonna fly. The building just take off? I don't think so. Okay, there we go. Come on. Also, comment down below what you got for Christmas. Comment down below what you got for Christmas. I should probably be doing a Christmas theme right now, but I'm not. Because that's just me. Shoot. Get rid of all of it. Come on. I know you're going to snap eventually. Oh, there we go. Windows holding it up. Okay, I need to walk over here. That's holding it up. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's holding it up. Oh, there it goes. It's not flying though. Yeah, there's not much of this building left. You know what? Chuck it. Oh my gosh. I was supposed to make a building fly today. Oh no. It's going. Oh my gosh, that's laggy. Fall. Oh no. Oh, what mistake have I done? Oh no. Did it? Oh, it's going through the building. Oh, it's gonna hurt. Don't die. Okay, safe landing. Ow. Okay, still hurt. Oh. Nope, there's the lava. I can see it dripping over there. Oh no. The lava's coming. That's not good. Laser. Oh wait, that just sets things on fire. Oh gosh. Oh no, the lava, back up. The lava, it's just burning through it. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to do in this situation right now. Maybe we should leave this town. I don't think we're welcome here anymore. Let's just go over to my selection. Yes, thank you. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that. It's not flying. Wait, the building, it's floating. It's going. It's flying. No, it's not. Never mind. What is happening to that building? Wait, it's going loose. Okay, just a couple more balloons. Come on. Balloons. Ow. Okay. Couple more. Some more. Wait, I think it's flying. Oh my gosh, we're going. Oh, okay, we need to get rid of some of these balloons. No. We did it. We made a skyscraper fly. What's happening? I don't like this. This is very shaky. Yes, this is actually what's happening on my screen. I am not adding in any effect at all. Get rid of the balloon. I think we're falling. I think we're still, I'm confused. Are we still going up or are we falling? All the balloons are gone. All of them. I think we're falling. They're all gone. Oh, it's tilting. It slowed down. So is it good when a piece of debris is floating? Probably not. That's probably not good. I see a piece of debris floating. Yeah, that's, I'm confused. Are we going up or down? Oh. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh. 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 Oh, no. Oh, no. Delete. Resources. Break out the window. Break out the window. I'm breaking the ceiling. Where is my door? Oh, here it is. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Wait, is that it? Is it still standing, or is that like, I think that's like half of the building. Oh, no. Was that even, that's not even the original building. Okay, I think the lava got the best of that one. But it fell on a different building. That's why this one's wider. Oh, boy. Anyone alive in there? Oh, wait, I forgot there's propane tanks in there. Let's just take our pretty pink car and, where's my driver's seat? I'll drive. Okay, fine. Wait. Locked cars. I guess we're walking. We should probably most likely get the heck out of here. Let's go hopping over this fence. Let's get out of here. Grab some snacks on the road. Let's get out of here. Where is everybody? I'm just gonna take some snacks. Okay, give me those. Give me those. Give me that. All right. My snack. Where'd it go? I think I dropped it. Okay. Let's, wait, what is it? Oh, no, I don't want that. I want chips. Where are my chips? Those are bottles. Chips. Those are water cups for sale. Chips. Oh, there they are. Just grab one flaming hot Cheeto. This will survive me. A flaming hot Cheeto. All right, let's get the heck out of here, dudes. Out. Stupid tree. Finally. Got out of that city. It's been forever. Jeez. Did like that city, but I like this city more. I need to get a job. Maybe I should get a snow plowing job or something, I don't know. Not the best at, oh, hey, look, snow plows. I think this is it. Oh. I still have my balloons. Don't tell anyone, but I still have my balloons. Come on. Fly. Oh. There we go. No witnesses. Okay. I think we should start our job as a, whoa. What's wrong with this thing? Oh. It won't stop. Whoopsies. It's fine. I'm sure it is. I'm sure they're fine with it. Here's another one. Yeah, they give me infinite of these things. Let's go. Oh no, not in the water. Oh, I can't see. Where am I? I'm under the ice. I'm stuck. Oh. Whew. Nothing like when you have a laser cutter. You know what? Ooh, we should probably get rid of this. Honestly, it's dangerous. We need to dispose of it. Don't touch it. There we go. Just need to dispose of that. Oh! There we go. Oh, look at this card. I like this card. Let's take this. Oh, that's just a piece. It's fine. Oh, let's hit this ramp. Whee! Oh no, my car. You know what? I think we can get this out of here. Upgrade it. Come on. Yes. Oh. Yes. It's doing its thing. Yay! We got it out. Get rid of the balloons. Oh wait, no. No! I like that car. Oh, well, that's gone now. What you smiling about? Huh? What you smiling about, you stupid snowman? Firework. You know what I should do? You know something that nobody's done before? Made a lighthouse fly. This will go down in history, my man. History. Also, what is this on the ground? It looks like candy corn. Or something. Or orange snow. Looks like it's still working on this place. What does this place look like, actually? Uncool. Just gonna... Don't tip over, please. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay. Whew, that was close. Balloons. Now, raise their lift. Come on. Get to 1,000. Okay, I think that's enough lift. 2,000 lift is okay, I think. Just fill up the side. Oh, also guys, I got a 3D printer. Comment down below what I should 3D print. Oh, yes, it's flying. It's a flying lighthouse, and it's out of control. Oh no. Ow. Is it just me or did it stop? Is it just me or does it look like it's falling? Definitely falling. Up. Oh, and... Oh, you're kidding me, right? Oh, no, it's still lifting. Ah. What's wrong with this thing? It's like it's still flying, but it's not. Lift off. Get rid of this thing. I don't want this thing anymore. There it goes. Ow. Yippee! It's gone now. And it's stopping again. Oh! It's gone. Okay. Maybe we should make this house fly. Maybe we should make this house fly, or as I should say, my house fly. No. My house fly. It's gotten upstairs, don't worry. We'll be safe. Cut through here. Oh. Okay, it's loose. Oh. Come on. Stupid bookshelf. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Oh, ow. Ow. Are we flying? I can't tell. I think we're floating. More on this side. Over here. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty. I'm flying the balloon. It's taking me up. This reminds me of the Up Lego set I got for Christmas. Reminder, comment down below what you got for Christmas. Yeah. Oh, that was supposed to be a clean cut. What the heck? Oh, now it's all messy. Whoop! We're just gonna... Where's my balloons? Here it is. Whee! Go be a satellite. Oh no, what's attached to? Oh no. It's pulling it back. There it goes. Follow your dreams. You be a satellite. What's that? You be. Oh, it's gone. Can't hear me anymore. Ooh, is this a car dealership? Ooh, I like car dealerships. See what kind of cars they got. This isn't a car dealership. This is a mall. Oh, I want to. Oh. Oops. Did they bust through the seal? Are they busting through the seal? Ah. I don't know what's. What? Oh. Okay. Da, 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 da. I love balloons. Ah! La, da, oh. Oh. La, da, da, la, da, 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 da. La, da. Oh, 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 oh. La, da, 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 da. La, da. Oh, I can't. Seriously? Oh. Where's the door? I'm gonna just make my own door. There we go. Balloons. Whoop. Whoop. Sorry to say it, but whoop. Whoop, whoop, ba, 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 ba. Someone play some music. Yep. Whoop. Oh, I took out a light. Oh, I took out all the lights. Oh, no, never mind. Whoop, ba, ba. Oh, I was supposed to take out the light. Ba, ba. What are these things? Comment down below what that yellow and orange parts are. Yep. Oh, it just shreds it. Oh wow, it's really just shredding it. Wow. Shred. Shredding it. La da 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 da. And shopping carts. There we go. And whoop, boop, 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 boop. This is a danger hazard. Oh, that's why it's a danger hazard. Dangerous hazard. You just go. You just go because you're damaged. And I'm gonna keep you. Whoop. And yeah, let's just shift. Oh, okay. Okay, yep, that works too. I didn't mean to do that. It's fine. It's like moon. It's like on the moon. Lift up, lift up. No, it's... Wait, it's lifting. It's lifting. Over the cart. Ooh. Wait. It's like on the moon. Kind of. Not really, but almost. Whoop. There we go. Wait. Oh, gosh. Wait. There we go. No more balloons. We don't need them. Because I don't know how to move this. Oh, no, I didn't mean to press that, but I don't know how to go. How do you move the bucket? It's fine. Oh, hey, we're okay. Well, I guess we should go ahead and send this to space and end this video. Bye, have a great life. Okay. Well, I guess I'll see you guys next time in Brick Rigs. Actually, hold on. I almost called this Brick Rigs. I swear. I haven't even done a video on Brick Rigs yet. It's a bank. Oh, what is this place? Let me in. Let me do this. I'll do this. Oh, this is the President's Lounge. Why did they make it so obvious? So, yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on here. I'm gonna make this house fly. So I don't want to, I didn't say I'm gonna. But this picture is creeping me out. I don't know why, it just gives me the creeps. Open the door. Go it. And destroy the helicopter. Oh, I guess. Okay, can we still fly this? No, it's broken. It's fine. Yeah. Alright, well, I guess I'm just gonna end the video here. Shooting cars. Yep. I'm just gonna see you guys next time. Tomorrow. This video will probably be uploaded by tomorrow. I mean, before tomorrow, possibly tomorrow, I don't know. But, yeah, you guys just, oops. Yeah, hold on. Whoop. Alright, you guys just have a great, I hope you guys had a great Christmas. Yep. Hope you guys had a great Christmas, and, always, remember to be nice. Oh. Obviously not being nice to myself. Well, oh, no, I wanted to be in that car. Well, you guys, hope you guys had a great Christmas, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.